Hello, bit of a different video today. I'm going to be cleaning the stove. I've kind of been neglecting it. It's my job, and I've been getting better about keeping the kitchen clean, but the stove, as you can see, has gotten pretty bad. So today, we're gonna clean the stove. Alright guys, nothing too complicated about this job, just some hot soapy water, a non-abrasive scrubbing dish sponge, and some good old-fashioned elbow grease will get it done for you. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If you liked this video, check the description for links to soap and sponges on Amazon. I do get a commission if you purchase through those links, but unfortunately you will have to provide the elbow grease and click the notification bell so you'll know when the videos from our new projects come out.